What would you get when combined fashion and fitness? Unified Quantum Energy Bracelet. Unified Quantum Energy Bracelet has 4 beneficial energy beads: negative ion, far infrared, germanium, neodymium magnets. Best for people working at desk all the time, exposed to radiation every day, with smoking and drinking problems, with an unhealthy diet and habits, suffering from numbness and nerve damage, experiencing frequent tiredness and fatigue, suffering from lack of focus or fogginess, and many more. Unified Quantum Energy Bracelet health benefits: increases blood circulation, improves metabolism, removes harmful toxins, alleviates physical stress, controls swelling, reduces inflammation, relieves tiredness, promotes quality sleep, slows down aging, maintains homeostasis. Choose from a variety of designs: white, silver, gold, crystal black, silver black. Elegant, sophisticated, fashionable, can be worn on different occasions. Durable, lightweight, ergonomic. Unified Quantum Energy Bracelet. Being healthy never goes out of style.